Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to cancel your BNZ credit card. To cancel your BNZ or your Bank of New Zealand credit card, you have few options. The first option is by using online banking. First of all, open a web browser and type in bnz.co.nz and search. Doing so will take you to the official website for BNZ. Now from the main homepage, click the login button at the top right corner and log into your online banking account. Enter your credential, that is your access number and your password associated with your online banking account, and click on login to log into your account first. After logging in, use the send us a message option and select a product or services. Make sure to choose credit card and you will be able to find some information on how you can get help with credit cards. If you don't see an option that matches your search, you can also go ahead and enter details about your problem. You can go ahead and mention that you would like to cancel your credit card in the following text box, and also make sure to type in your details such as your first name, last name, phone number, email address, and answer if you are a BNZ customer or not. And after you are done with everything, click the submit button in order to ask your BNZ support team to cancel your credit card. Another method you can use is by phone call. From the main homepage of BNZ, scroll all the way down and then go to the Contact Us tab and click on the Important Phone Numbers option. You will be provided with the list of phone numbers. Simply go ahead and make a phone call to the particular number that you've selected and then inform them that you want to cancel your credit card. Remember to settle any outstanding balances on the card before canceling it, and they will be able to guide you through the necessary steps. So those were some of the methods you can use in order to cancel your BNZ credit card. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.